How can brine shrimp or Artemia improve the health and survival of fish and shrimp? Great Salt Lake Artemia has been investigating how using more Artemia as live feed in hatcheries and nurseries can improve survival outcomes and growth rates of shrimp in comparison to inert feed. The research shows that the right combination of live and inert feed results in higher survivability with lower stress, healthier shrimp that grow faster. But how do you determine the right balance of inert and live feed for your hatchery? Great Salt Lake Artemia are one of the world's leading suppliers and have extensive scientific expertise in Artemia. Working in collaboration with a third-party university, Great Salt Lake Artemia investigated what were optimal feed levels and what impact they had on the hatchery and aquaculture using McKay MP feed for shrimp and GSLA Artemia. The alpha test showed significant survival improvements for fish and shrimp as Artemia feed levels were increased from 0 to 4.3 kilograms per million PL. Survival in the hatchery improved to over 67% when using 4.3 kilograms of Artemia. The beta test looked at feeding large amounts of Artemia and found that survival rates increased from 30 to over 60% with 5.9 kilograms of Artemia per million PL. Using both a high-end McKay MP diet and a lower-cost nursery diet, we see it is beneficial to use Artemia during the nursery phase, resulting in a higher survival rate and greater weight gain. The right amount of Artemia paired with the right feed solutions in McKay MP demonstrated impressive improvements in survival, which helps maximize profitability at shrimp hatcheries and nurseries. Survivability was not the only improvement with increased feeding of Artemia. Similar to our research, other independent studies confirm that a high Artemia and feed plan shows a significant weight increase compared to shrimp fed only an inert feed diet. The improvement in growth rates for the shrimp that were fed a mixed diet with more Artemia was due to a more effective nutritional uptake from the inert feed, most likely through greater ingestion and assimilation of the inert diet. Most importantly, shrimp get nutritional value from their feed if they eat, and shrimp are more likely to go after Artemia as part of their natural feeding habits, leading to higher survivability and profits. In summary, the key benefits of providing a diet that includes higher levels of Artemia are higher survival rates, better growth, healthier shrimp and fish fry. Contact Great Salt Lake Artemia today to find out more details about feed improvements and how Great Salt Lake Artemia can work with you on the right solution for your business.